Giving can be just as good as getting. Check out these must-have gifts for everyone on your list. The Therabody Theragun Relief Massage Gun is perfect for those active people in your life. The scientifically proven percussive therapy offers fast and effective relief from all those aches and pains, and the triangle design reaches those tricky spots. The Therabody Smart Goggles 2nd Gen are great for people trying to beat that holiday stress. The compression massage, heat, and vibration help you relax and prepare you for a good night's sleep. The MetaQuest 3S is this season's totally unreal gift. You can explore thousands of experiences with new ways to watch, play, work out, and hang out. And for those outdoor explorers, check out the GoTrax Z4 Lite e-bike. No need for a bike rack here, because the Z4 Lite folds into thirds and is compact enough to fit just about anywhere. Get these and more from Best Buy.